This is Eric for websites.ca, and I'm going to be showing you the catalog on your website. Now, while I'm on the catalog page, I can hit the edit button in the top left here, and this will show me all the backend options. There's things here like changing the thumbnail size, setting the amount of category columns, changing the background color. There are a lot of options here, as well as the text that appeared at the top there. That's all here, and if I wanted to edit all this, I could hit the save button when I'm done. But the important thing I came here for is to learn what the catalog data source is. In this example, it's just the word catalog, so that'll be easy to remember. Now that I know that, I can head over to Pages in the top left, check out data sources up here, and as I can see, there's actually more than one data source. One of these is called blog. We have that actually covered in another video, so you can check that out for any blog-related questions. And I'm just going to worry about the catalog for now, so I'll hit the Open button for the catalog. As you can see, there's all of the catalog items in here. I'll be adding a new one, so I can hit the Add Item button up top. I can give it a name. I'll just call it Example. I can assign it to a category. In this case, I'll assign it to the black category. This is the description, which will show up when somebody clicks on the item to learn more information about it. And here's the short description, which is just kind of the short text there. If you leave this blank, it just takes a little snippet out of the long description up top here. So I'll leave that blank. And then there's the ordering. Now, you can give it a specific order if you want, or you can leave it blank and it just sorts the items by name. I'll leave it blank for now, so I hit the Save button there. And now that I've gotten a message that says added catalog item successfully, I know that it's there. So if I view the catalog again, there's my new example. It might not always be at the top. I'm going to go ahead and click on Move to the top just so that way I know it's always there. And what I also want to do here is edit it a little bit. Let's hit the Open button there. Here's all the description info here. I can give it a picture if I want. So I can search for any of the uploaded images, which I've uploaded this in advance, so I'll go ahead and add that image in. I can see here that the example image I've added has been added to the item. I can give it a price point if I want. I'm going to give it a price point of $20, and I can add a description if I wanted to get into more details, but it's just the one item. So I'll leave that as that. And there's also item options here, which you can get into a lot of different variables for sizes and things like that. So now that I have that item there, that'll look great on my catalog page, but there's also some other stuff I can do while I'm in here as well. I can manage the categories if I wanted to, say, add a new category or edit any of the existing ones. So if I wanted to add a new category, I'd click the Add Category button, give it a name, example cat. I can give it a description, just more details about the items you might find here. I can also add a picture here just to give a general view of what a generic version of the item is, or whatever else I'd like to put in there, and then I would just hit the Save button. But right now I just want to see what my new item looks like, so I'll head back to the site and check out the catalog page. Now, as we remember, I did add it to the black category, so it'll probably show up in there if I've done everything right. And there it is. Since I added it to the top there, it's the first item in question, and I can click on it for more information if I've added any. And that's how you use the catalog. If you would like to see any other articles or videos, or to just contact us, you can go to support.websites.ca. Thanks, this has been Eric for websites.ca.